Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an affiliate account with HostGent. In this video, we will show you how to find the affiliate program and all the necessary information to get started. So let's get started. Step 1 to get started, go to HostGent's website and click on the affiliate program link in the footer. Click on the affiliate program link and you will be taken to the affiliate page. Here, you can find all the information about HostGent's affiliate program. Take some time to read through the information on the page. This will give you a good understanding of how the affiliate program works and what you need to do to get started. Once you are ready, click on the Join Now button to start the registration process. Fill in the required information like your name, email address, and desired password. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions before moving on to the next step. After you have completed the registration form, click on the Register button to complete the process. Now that you have completed the registration process, it's time to log into your account and start using your unique referral link. Now go to the client login page on HostGent's website and enter your login information. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. In your dashboard, you will find your unique referral link, which you can use to promote HostGent and earn commission on your sales. You will also see your available commission balance, which will show you how much money you have earned through your referrals. Additionally, you can track your clicks, sign-ups, and conversions in real time, so you can see how your promotions are performing. And that's it. Now you can start promoting HostGent and earning commission on your sales. Share your unique referral link with your customers and watch your commission balance grow. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to HostGent's support team. Thank you for watching and happy promoting.